Hi everyone, my name is Audrey and welcome to the Noble Strength channel. I am here to review a handbag. So if you're into fashion and you're into accessories, definitely stick around, like and subscribe, and click that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload more videos. And happy December. This is my first video for the month of December. Can you believe this year is almost over? Oh my goodness, but let's go ahead and just jump right into what I'm going to review today. I'm going to be reviewing this bag. This is a Doc Martens satchel bag. This is the calf hair or on hair top handle bag. I'll put it on the split screen, but I first learned about this bag from the Completed Looks channel. That is Jazz's channel. So if you have not checked out her channel, definitely check it out. She is such a fabulous fashionista. She does outfits of the day, styling all of her fabulous handbags. And when I say she has a top-notch handbag collection, I mean that. So definitely check her out. I love supporting others in the handbag community, and she has such a bubbly, radiant personality, so definitely support her. But I learned about this bag from her channel. When I saw that, I was like, oh, because I love leopard print. Anything leopard print I absolutely love, and I love a good top handle satchel, very comparable to the Speedy or any other kind of Boston style bag that you can find out there. This is a really nice size. I'll do a comparison with the Speedy 30, but I think it's a little bit smaller than the Speedy 30. Just for a quick comparison, I have the Doc Martens satchel in the middle, and then of course I have my Dooney & Bourke Florentine satchel. I believe that's a small in front, and then I have my LV Speedy 30 in the back, and you can tell that the Dooney & Bourke is more comparable in size. This one's definitely larger, but just in case you are a Dooney & Bourke lover, but you're willing to venture out, you can see where they're somewhat similar as far as size-wise with the small satchel, but in comparison with the Speedy is definitely larger and less structured. So I'll line them up this way so you can see, and there they are side by side that way, and then we'll do it this way, overhead view. But yeah, it's a very nice size. The handle is very smooth and comfortable to carry. I absolutely love this bag. But I like that it has outside pockets, and these pockets are snap, so you can put little quick items in there like gum or like a little small mirror. It is a tight fit, so it has to be something small, but at least you can put some items on the outside pocket. I also like that it has a little name pouch section in the back, so if you want to put, I guess, your nameplate or something in there, you can. I know that some other content creators said that they would put like a little photo of something that they really like on that side. It does have the snap closure on the handle, and this does not come off. So if you want to have your handles remain separate and open, it would have to be closed on one side. But what I love about this little grip protector is that it makes for a really comfortable carry when you're holding it. The grip is so nice and comfortable when you're holding it. It's beautiful, smooth leather. It is branded with the Doc Martens brand here. This is something different for me because I typically like gold hardware, and this is silver hardware. So that's, you know, a plus if you're into silver hardware. I do like that it zips from one side to the other, so it expands out and opens wide, and it does hold a lot. It has an interior zip pocket like I'm showing you on the cutaway, and it does have feet on the bottom. This is such a nice bag, and I like that the calf's hair leopard print is on the front pockets as well as on the sides, and then the back is plain, and like I say, it's such a nice size and a comfortable carry. I think it will be comparable to a Louis Vuitton Speedy 20 size or a 25. Like I said, smaller than the 30, but it is such a nice carry, and it's a structured bag. So if you like a structured bag as opposed to a slouchy bag, this is the bag for you. It does have D-rings on the side because it does come with an adjustable strap, and it does have the 360 turn clasp here, so it makes it easy so that the strap won't twist up on you. And it's just a nice smooth leather, easy to clip on and wear as a crossbody or a shoulder bag. And this bag, I believe, goes for like $150 if I'm not mistaken, but on the resale market, some sellers are selling it for more than that. And like I said, I got mine on sale right before, I guess, Black Friday, and got a really good deal on it. And when I went to check to see if it was on the US website, it was no longer on the US website. So I guess they completely sold out, but it is on the European website, and I don't know if they ship internationally, but I will link that in the description box below in case you are looking for this bag. You can find it on the resale market and on the European website. But this is a really nice, stunning bag. I absolutely love it, and you know, black and leopard print will go with anything. You can style it so many different ways. Today I'm just wearing it with a sweatshirt, and I have on some black jeans and my Doc Marten Leona boots, which I absolutely love, and they're a perfect match to wear with this bag. So I just want to get on and share this wonderful bag with you guys. Remember to be a good steward of all that God has given you because He loves us so much. I love you too, and I'll be back real soon with more videos related to faith, fashion, and art. And I hope your December is off to a great start. Take care, and I'll see you next time. Bye.